Good morning. Today we are going to continue with another examples of limits and continuity. But this time the functions are complicated. Now let's determine which one is left hand side, which one is right hand side. You can refer to my previous videos to know what is left hand side or right hand side. Never mind, we repeat again. In order for the functions to exist, the left hand sides of limits must be equal to right hand sides of the limits of the function. For this example, we cannot substitute directly for these functions of right hand side. Now, you can refer to my previous videos how I solve this kind of function. So now, we must multiply with its conjugate. Fortunately, we get same answer for left hand side and right hand side. We may write a statement, function g exists. To determine the function is continuous, we should know the value of function when x equals to 0. Since it is equals to square root of 3, the value is not equal, and hence function g is not continuous when x equals to 0. Thank you and stay tuned.